Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tiffany. Today I'm sharing my exact routine for prepping my mini twists so that when I unravel them, my twist outs are super defined, juicy and long lasting. If you've ever struggled with frizzy or dry twist outs that don't last, this video is for you. I'll be showing you the moisturizing technique I swear by and a key extra tip that makes all the difference. So grab your favorite hair products and let's get into it. I moisturize my hair using the LCO method, a 3-step hair care process that uses a liquid, either water or a leave-in conditioner, a cream and oil to moisturize and protect curls. It's the best for low porosity hair, just like mine. For more details, I've linked a video where I fully explain the different ways to moisturize your hair in the description below. The first step to perfect twist outs is moisture. Dry hair just won't give you those defined lasting curls, and here is how I do it. First thing, liquid. I start with rosemary water as my liquid. Twist outs thrive on moisturized hair. I can't emphasize this enough. And this blend is super hydrating and helps the scalp health and hair growth. I make sure my hair is damp but not soaking wet, just so it can fully absorb the products without causing shrinkage. This helps to soften my strands and prep them to absorb moisture better. And this is a staple in my routine. The second one is the cream. Next, I go in with my ORS Olive Oil cream, which is super rich and keeps my hair soft and moisturized for days. I take a little and smooth it over each twist, making sure every strand is coated. This locks in the moisture and ensures my hair stays soft and manageable when I take down the twists. This step is crucial because if your hair isn't properly moisturized before unraveling, your twist outs can turn out dry, frizzy, and undefined. So take your time to work the product in. Finally, the oil. Now, to lock in all that moisture from the liquid and the cream, I seal everything in with an oil. This is the oil that I'm going to use, which helps prevent moisture loss and adds a nice shine to my twists. I like to focus on the ends of my hair because they are the oldest and driest parts. This helps prevent breakage and keeps my twists looking fresh. Now, here's a game-changing tip for extra defined twist outs. The way you twist matters. Instead of just loosely twisting my hair, I make sure to twist tightly at the roots and twist in the same direction consistently all the way down. Some sections I even do a twist and plait combo, where I start with a small braid at the roots before twisting the rest. This helps stretch the hair and gives me a more defined curl pattern when I unravel. After moisturizing, I let my hair fully absorb the products for at least 24 hours before unraveling my twists. This helps the curls stay hydrated and well formed for days. Once I'm done, I always protect my twists at night by wearing a satin bonnet or scarf. This helps prevent frizz and keeps my hair from drying out overnight. If you want long-lasting twist outs, do not skip this step. And that's it. That's how I prep my mini twists to make sure my twist outs are super defined, soft and long-lasting. This simple LCO routine keeps my hair moisturized all week long, and that extra tip on how to twist your hair makes a huge difference when unraveling. Let me know in the comments, how do you prep for your twist outs? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more 4C hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.